Hey, what are you doing here? Come on, no. That's for another video. Over here, right? Don't be shy. Come on. Yeah. Hi. If you remember, I made this little Bluetooth receiver with the headphone jack. It doesn't look as well as it should, but in previous video, it generally works. I'm fine with it. It doesn't have a lot of noise. It has stereo sound, so that's really nice. But this time I decided to buy one instead of this because that's a little bit clunky. So I went on the AliExpress and got myself a proper Bluetooth receiver shaped as a suppository. So we will be also doing, hold on a moment, we will be also doing full unboxing. So you're prepared? Yeah, good. Dude, I wonder what's inside, you know? That's a really cool packaging. It's a, you know, wow, that's a piece of paper. It's really good. Let's see what's inside because how the hell I'm supposed to know? Ooh, that's probably some kind of USB cable, as I have a lot of. Yeah, let's see there. Jack to jack. And here we have a Bluetooth suppository receiver. I decided to go with this one because it will match my suppository decor in my room, so that was a really good choice. But to be honest with you, I have one problem with it. It has nice accessories. It was $3 in total. Actually, two problems. So I started to test this. It charges using micro USB and it just uses a jack as an output. Let me just turn it on because this is a power button. When you hold it longer, also it pauses in place. If you hold on the plus button, it will increase the volume. If you just press it once, it next song, and the same goes for the minus button in the previous song. So let me turn this on. Yeah.
Power on.
Yeah. So this time it's actually in English. I have this problem with it. It has channel swapped. I tested several headphones because I was wondering if there was something wrong with mine, but to be honest, it wasn't. Let me just connect my phone here.
Connected.
Yeah, connected. So that's good. And it plays music rather well. Yeah, as you can hear this. And this should pause. Yeah, and this will, if I hold this, it will decrease the volume.
Minimum volume.
Ooh. And I hold the plus button, it will increase the volume.
Maximum volume.
Alright. It's kind of weird because after the announcement it goes really quiet. But the main issue I have with this one, because it's rather small, it has a nice clip, so you can clip it into your pants. But the main problem I have here is it lasts for 25 minutes. It should have a microphone. I also tested the microphone. We can do a quick test right now. Let me start recording. This is a test from Bluetooth receiver using a microphone. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try this out. From Bluetooth receiver using a microphone. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it has a lot of noise, so it isn't really great to talk over the phone. Let me turn this.
Power off.
Oh yeah, that's a little bit loud. Let me turn up the stereo here. Okay, so let's take a look inside, and bonus snatchers. You also have an unboxing of a ruler, and let's see. Yeah, that's also from the China. That's a really nice ruler. It's made of the thinnest metal I ever saw. So yeah, here we go. because obviously I don't have any tools with me. Let me just try to lever this a little bit. We will take a look inside because I'm curious about the capacity of the battery that actually lasts for less than a half an hour. So that isn't really great. Maybe this is meant for the as a receiver for the car, maybe, you know, like you would have this in your car at all times, charging while driving and then playing for some time afterwards. Not sure exactly. It doesn't really come apart easily. Let me just try a little bit more. Oh yeah, there was a clip, and here we have it. So what do we have here? That's a really small board, and the considering that audio channels are swapped, it means that it will be kind of hard to swap those with the socket already connected. It has this minute little battery that doesn't say the capacity at all. Let's see. These are the connectors. Don't think that's a problem here. I don't see any protection circuitry, so it can be easily shorted. The microphone is on the other side apparently. So let's see. It's being covered constantly. So that's the hole for the microphone, I guess. I'm not exactly sure how that would work. These are 3 buttons and also a chip. Let me just zoom in. Oh, that's upside down. Should be readable. Hopefully. That's BX326 950 16A. Whatever this is. That's probably a crystal, if I'm not mistaken. Those are 2 LEDs, and the chip is basically doing absolutely everything. There are a few components over here. The Bluetooth antenna is the model of the little board. What really worries me is that this little battery, I mean, I won't be able to replace it because it is so small that it's just built for this purpose. So I won't be able to find anything similar to this, and that's not really great because the instruction that I threw out, it did said that there was some kind of, here we have it, that's the receiver, that's the package list, pretty nice. I should have checked the package contents with that closed before. And let's see, it does say somewhere here that, recharge 30 minutes, playtime 4 hours. Maybe the other way around, 4 hours charging and playtime 30 minutes. I tried with other stuff, so it doesn't really matter what kind of headphones do you use. But other than that, it doesn't have any functions. Apparently you should be able to change the language, but I tried it, but it doesn't really work. And I guess that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I have another video about transmitter and receiver coming. Can you do this with your wooden ruler? I thought so.